Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. And finally I am back to record some videos. I am super excited. Sorry for the little hiccup there, but I'm super excited and today I am back with a Dollar Tree haul. Now, it is close to the Easter time, and when it's close to the Easter time, it means bunnies. And as you know, my baby girl is a bunny, obviously. So I got a few things from the dollar store, and I'm sure you'll guess what most of them are. So here we go. I'm super excited to share. So let's just cut to it. So this is the first thing I got. It is a little blue bunny, and actually it's to put into like the ground, like in a garden. But I thought it would be cool to kind of hang on the wall and hang stuff from it. Like, I mean, I'm not 100% sure what now, but I figure at some point I could figure something out. So I thought that was really cool for that. The next thing I got were some little decorative carrots that I'm not sure what I'm going to do with, but we'll figure it out. I then also got some little snack bags, and I figured I would do them up, like make them, you know, maybe put like stuffing in them or something like that, you know, tie the things around them and then tie them together and hang them from I don't know if you can see these little white things that are keeping up my nail polish shelf. Hang them from that. I think that would be really, really cool. So that's what those are for. I then also got these little painting kits, I guess, and one is a little chicken. I know, not a bunny, but this one's a bunny. So I'm going to paint these at some point then. Now for the, sorry guys. Now for the non-bunny things. I actually finally found one of these Macaron little boxes. I had seen many people getting these, finding them at their dollar store or their Dollar Tree, and I had never been able to find them till today. I actually found one. Actually, this was the only one I found, and it's blue, and blue is my favorite color, so I thought it was really neat. Now, the last thing I have are not Easter theme at all. They are Pokemon cards. I actually found Pokemon cards at the dollar store. Now, it isn't like an actual pack of Pokemon cards you would get at like Walmart or Target. These only have 3 cards per pack, but I figured, hey, honestly, I don't think I have any from this set, so this will be pretty cool. So that is actually all I got at the dollar store this time, but I was super happy with my little haul and definitely excited to record again. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!